Technology has essentially changed the way human beings communicate with one another. As a result of that, each and every communication that we have with another person is being digitally recorded. That provides us with a very unique opportunity to understand human behavior change. So in this paper, what we did is we developed a new research methodology that lets us understand online social network data in a comprehensive way by understanding content and contacts in a social network. Usually what scientists consider when analyzing social networks is that how frequently a person is talking and or to whom a person is talking and so on. But either because of scalability issues or because of lack of methods, one important attribute of a communication event is being ignored, and that is the content of the message. And that content of the message is the essence of human communication, which explains a lot of details about human behavior change. In this paper, we applied this new method to understand the communication events of members of an online social network called QuitNet, which majorly focuses on smoking cessation. By applying this new method, we attempted to understand human behavior change at a granular level as well as at a comprehensive level. By doing so, what we can do in future work is we can understand the needs of the user in a much more effective way and design interventions and tailor them to the needs of the user by understanding what they are talking about, in addition to understanding who they are talking to. So when we analyzed QuitNet, we were able to identify different types of content that's embedded in the messages. Examples of the content include social support, reinforcement, advice, social togetherness, and so on. So by identifying this content and applying this method, what we are able to essentially extract from the network data is we now know the needs of all the QuitNet users. Usually, if you ignore content and just consider the contacts to whom a particular person is related to in a network, you get a single opinion leader for the entire network. But when you consider content, you can narrow down the opinion leaders based on their content speciality. By knowing that, we can further make effective connections and meaningful connections that can help individuals make the right changes and make the right moves in order to sustain a healthy behavior change.